Looking to book your first ride with Lyft? Creating an account is quick and easy, even if you're new to the app. Whether you're using your phone number or Apple ID, I'll guide you step by step. Let's get your account set up in just a minute. First, download the Lyft app from the App Store or Google Play. Open the app and tap Get Started. Choose your country and enter your phone number. Or tap Continue with Apple to use your Apple ID. If you use your phone number, you'll receive a 6-digit code. Type it in. After that, you'll be asked to verify your email address. Just tap the link Lyft sends to your inbox. Once your email is verified, go back to the app and tap Next. You're in! Your Lyft account is now ready to use. Easy as that. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.